if you want to dress up your AirTag, you can use this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. This is an Apple AirTag. It's in a case right now. But one of the things about the Apple AirTag, which is similar to a lot of other electronics, is that you can dress them up, hide them, camouflage them, make them look pretty. I wonder if I could do that with this thing with some vinyl decals. But I ordered these vinyl decals because they've got a little black camo on there. And I just thought it would make this bright, shiny, white Apple AirPod a little bit more subtle, a little bit more stylish, and a lot more trendy. So let's take the AirTag and put the sticker on it and see if it does. All right, so if you have an AirTag like this, I've got the little stout ring on there, but man, the AirTags are white. Apple always advertising the side is very glossy. If you just want to tone it down a little bit, maybe not advertise, hey, I got an AirTag on the thing. It's on your golf bag, on your skis, on your briefcase, something like that. And people are like, oh man, the guy's got security. I'll just rip that off and make it a little more subtle with these. You can pick them up in a million different designs. I just picked this one up from MightySkins, and you can see there is a small and a large size, and the small size is just going to go on the metal side, or this are both metal, but the shiny side of the AirTag, and I think you're just going to kind of put it on like that, press it on, smooth it on. Oh, the smoothness. I bet she's at home with Mike Lowry right now, just enjoying the smoothness. All right, got that on. Doesn't get much easier than that. I actually think this side will be a little harder because I don't know if it'll wrap around the edge, but I'm just going to, no, it's just going to kind of sit in the middle. I'm going to smooth that down, smooth it down. It conforms nicely. And now I've got a little bit more subtle AirTag. And it's not just about being subtle. It's about sporting the colors that you want, the design you want, sport your favorite sports team, whatever. If you want to pick up some MightySkins, I'll put a link to them in the description below so that you can make your AirTags reflect your personality. Assuming you have a good personality. I don't know. You might be kind of a sicko, but that would explain why you're here. So I'll see you soon. Peter Von Panda, out.